Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to use Granola AI on iPhone. So basically, you'll have to go and download it first if you don't have it downloaded. And of course, you would like to log in into an account or create an account if you don't have one. You can log in or create an account using Google or whatever you want. So it will be very easy. So basically, once you download the application, you have here three options at the bottom. You have new notes, a message icon, and a phone icon. So on the phone icon, you'll be able basically to take notes on the outbound phone calls. If you click on get started, they will ask you as an example to verify your phone number by phone. Then you can connect your contact, and once you click on get started, you'll have to enter your phone number, and any outbound call, you'll be able to record it. And of course, you'll be able to take, or Granola will basically make a summary about the phone call in a new note here. The second option is this new note. If you click on it, here you will be able to start talking, and you can cancel it at any time you want. You have here a pause button if you want to pause it, as you can see, and you can resume it whenever you want. Once you finish, you can add a picture or add something from gallery, delete it, or end this right now. If you click on end, as you can see, you have this notify me option, so it can notify you whenever this generating notes ends, so you don't have to keep waiting here for it, so you can close the application and get notified whenever it's finished. Of course, once it's finished, it will write you here a summary about what you said once you click on a new note and once you start saving what you said. An example here telling you that what I said is basically an interface control demo, like click here to start talking, pause button accessible during recording sessions, post-recording sessions options, and of course those notes can be shared if you click on the share button right here with any of your team's example or members. If you click on the three dots at the top, you can edit the title, edit the AI summary, view transcript if you want to, show my notes and copy notes as well. So if you click on show transcribed, as you can see, it will show you exactly what have been said on the note. So there's no summary here that's made by AI or something like that. It will show you exactly what it said. So, for example, if you click here, you'll be able to start talking and you can cancel it at any time. So whatever I said, it will be there. Of course, you can delete it. How? If you don't want it anymore, you can just go and slide it to the left and you'll be able to move it to trash. And if you have many notes, you have this messaging icon. And as you can see, this is basically a chat where you can ask questions about your notes. You can open your saved notes and you can ask Granola about whatever you want. So as an example, who have I promised to follow up with? What needs my attention first? And of course, it will go through your notes and it will give you an answer. If you want to ask about specific notes, you can just go and access that specific notes and click on chat with notes, and you'll be able to ask questions about this specific note. And that's how you basically use Granola AI on iPhone. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.